Okay, let's start now on how to transfer music from Mac to iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, 11 Pro Max, or X's Max X's X8 plus 876. Option 1. How to transfer music from Mac to iPhone with iTunes. Open iTunes, connect iPhone. In Music, click File, add file to Library to add music. Click iPhone icon, choose Music, check Sync Music, select Files, click Sync to transfer music, monitor progress in the middle. Option 2. How to sync music from Mac to iPhone via cloud services Dropbox. Visit Dropbox.com, sign in, click Upload Files, select Music Files from Mac, click Upload to save to Dropbox. On iPhone, install Dropbox app, sign in, choose Uploaded Music, select Make Available Offline. Option 3. How to download music from Mac to iPhone using iOS Transfer. If you want to know how to transfer songs from Mac to iPhone freely without any limitations, then you can't miss the iOS transfer for Mac. It allows you to transfer any songs from any Mac to any iPhone. Extra tips: how to transfer music from iPhone to Mac. You may need another program to help you transfer music from iPhone to Mac. So here, we recommend one of the best, which is called the Mobikin Assistant for iOS Mac. This app lets iOS users seamlessly transfer files